Hello, and welcome to the 167th episode of Road TRIpVIA. Today's category is the state of Arkansas. This will be a 20-question trivia quiz about the state. If you enjoy this quiz, subscribe to the channel. We put a new quiz out just like it every day around noon Central Standard Time. Thank you for watching, and good luck. Question 1. What Arkansas town has been home to Walmart since Sam Walton purchased a store on the town square in 1950 and renamed it Walton's 5 and 10? The answer is Bentonville. Question 2. On June 15th of what year did Arkansas become a U.S. state? The answer is 1836. Question 3. What is the capital and most populous city of the state of Arkansas? The answer is Little Rock. Question 4. In order of when the states officially joined the Union, what number was Arkansas? The answer is the 25th. Question 5. Quite common in the state, with a public park where visitors can mine them for themselves, what is the official state gemstone of Arkansas? The answer is the diamond. Question 6. What Academy Award-winning actress who starred as Doc's love interest Clara Clayton in Back to the Future 3 is from Arkansas? The answer is Mary Steenburgen. Question 7. Located in the Ouachita Mountains, what is the highest point in Arkansas at 2,753 feet? The answer is Mount Magazine. Question 8. In what Arkansas city was Bill Clinton, the 42nd President of the United States, born? The answer is Hope. Question 9. Along with over a dozen other states, what is the official Arkansas state insect? The answer is the honeybee. Question 10. What fruit blossom was designated as the official state flower of the state of Arkansas in 1901? The answer is the apple blossom. Question 11. Currently seen on their license plates, what is the official state nickname for Arkansas adopted in 1995? The answer is the natural state. Question 12. What was the name of the American reality television series based in Arkansas, starring Paris Hilton and Nicole Richie, that ran from 2003 to 2007? The answer is The Simple Life. Question 13. What city, known for naturally occurring warm water, is home to Bathhouse Row that has 8 bathhouses from the 19th and 20th centuries? The answer is Hot Springs. Question 14. What musical artist with songs like Folsom Prison Blues, I Walk the Line, and Ring of Fire was born in Kingsland, Arkansas in 1932? The answer is Johnny Cash. Question 15. Essential in aluminum production, what is the official state mineral of Arkansas designated in 1967? The answer is bauxite. Question 16. Best known for his popular legal thrillers like A Time to Kill and Pelican Brief, what American novelist was born in Arkansas in 1955? The answer is John Grisham. Question 17. In what city, named after a state senator, is Arkansas State University located? The answer is Jonesboro. Question 18. An important part of life to the early pioneers at community gatherings and square dances, what is the official state instrument? The answer is the fiddle. Question 19. What actor from the movies Sling Blade, The Astronaut Farmer, and dozens more was born in Arkansas in 1955? The answer is Billy Bob Thornton. Question 20. What is the name of the Arkansas city that is the only city in America whose entire historic downtown is listed on the National Register of Historic Places? The answer is Eureka Springs. Alright, that is it for today. Thank you for watching this episode of Road TRIpVIA. Feel free to subscribe to the channel if you want to be reminded of quizzes that come out every day. See you tomorrow.